everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about the men. Just like women, men too need to undergo serious sex education. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Click on it so that every time I post a video you get notified. Yes, don't forget to book your counseling session at norark.com/booking. So let's get into this video. From childhood, women are raised, girls are raised, ladies are raised to be someone's wife. Everything the elders talk about, the parents talk about, teaching them how to cook, how to clean, how to sit, how to be polite, how to greet, is all preparing them to be someone's wife one day, to be a wife. Most of these elders ignore the boy child. They leave the boy child to fly free, to grow without being told anything. But according to my experience as a counselor, I have realized that most of these ladies are getting married to projects, not to men. They are getting married to men who need a lot of work, who need correction, just because their parents, their elders, their uncles and aunties failed to do their job. It is not enough for men, for boys, to be taught only on how to make money, how to look for money. They have to be taught about sex, serious sex education. We leave them to go and learn by having sex, and yet it's not right. Women are suffering in silence. Women are in these marriages months, weeks, years and years without experiencing orgasm because the man doesn't know what to do and he thinks he does. If you realize, many men today think they are giants, they are lions in bed. These women just downplay it. Most women have taken to self-satisfaction and masturbation because the men don't know what they are doing. Maybe if I talk about it now, their parents, uncles, elders, specialists will learn to address this issue. Most men don't know 3/4 of what they are doing in bed. All they think about is having a lot of sexual power and energy and having huge big dicks, which most women are not looking for. Women are looking for sexual satisfaction. Your big dick won't make her satisfied if you don't know how to use it. Your power and too much humping won't make her satisfied if you don't do what she needs to do, what she wants to feel in order to get satisfied. Some men are just so selfish. All they do is demand. Demand after demand. I want you wet, I want you dry, I want you tight, I want you how. What about you, gentlemen? Have you taken time to find out what she wants? Or your ego is too high that you think you are okay? Do you think you are okay? Have you even taken time to ask her what she really wants, how she wants it? Just like you are served food and you specify the type of food you want and how it's cooked for you, is the same way she wants to specify which food she wants and she wants you to do it. Most men today expect the lady to work extra hard, to do everything in her power, exercise, Kegels, to look nice for him, to have power for him, to have power to ride him, to be tight for him, to be wet for him, to be dry for him, to elongate her labias for him, to do ABCD for him. What are you doing for her? Ask yourself that question. Guys, learn something. Find out and learn something. Lower your ego down. Maybe that way your woman will open up to you and tell you what you lack and what you need to know. Most ladies fear to tell you because when they do, your ego goes up. You start asking questions like, how did you find out? Were you cheating on me? Why are you telling me this? Does it mean I'm not a man enough? If I can't satisfy you, then go and find someone who satisfies you. Because most of the guys are selfish. Guys, do something about yourselves. Most women are crying and yearning in silence. They are just quiet. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've learned something. If you are new to my channel, subscribe so that when I post a video, you get notified. Follow me on Facebook. My page is at Nora82. Instagram it's at @Iam_Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.